In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your initials in DocuSign. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can update your initials while signing a document quickly and confidently. If you're already in DocuSign, this is a simple adjustment. And once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This takes you to the area where you can begin a new action. From there, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the container used to send or prepare documents for signing, so this is the correct place to begin. Next, select Sign a document. This option lets you upload a file and move into the signing flow where you can place or update your initials. Once you've selected it, upload the document you want to sign. Make sure it's the correct file before moving on, especially if you're working with multiple versions of a document. After the document is uploaded, click next to continue to the document signing screen. This is where you'll be able to interact directly with the fields in the document, including the initials field you want to change. Now, find and click the initials field where your initials need to appear. As soon as you select that field, DocuSign will show your initials options. At this stage, you can choose a different initial style if you want a new look, type your initials manually for a clean and consistent appearance, or draw them if you prefer something more handwritten and personal. Once you've entered or selected the version you want, click Adopt an Initial. This confirms your new initials and applies them to the document. If you need to place initials in more than one location, DocuSign will typically use the same adopted version throughout the rest of the file, which helps keep everything consistent. After that, complete any remaining required fields in the document. Take a moment to review everything carefully so you don't miss any signatures, dates, or other required information. A quick final check can save time and prevent having to reopen the document later. When everything is filled out and ready, click Finish to complete the signing process. That submits your signed document with your updated initials in place. And that's it. You've successfully changed your initials in DocuSign and finished the document. Thanks for watching.